Okay, now we will come to the third type of question, that is construction of an equilateral triangle when one of the side of the triangle is given to you. This is very simple one basically. So let's say we have taken an example, that is question number 5 of example, question number 5 of exercise 11.1. Here very simply we will take some radius, say if we take radius equal to 5 centimeter. So we will draw a line, draw a ray, just BC line segment we will draw, BC of any measurement. Here I have taken BC equals to say 6 centimeter. Here I have taken BC equals to 6 centimeter. You can take any measurement. So we will take a BC with some measurement. Now with C as the center, taking radius equal to BC, taking radius equal to BC, taking radius equal to BC, with C as center we'll draw an arc, with B as center and same radius draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at a point, and we will name this point as A. We will join A to B, we'll join A to B, we'll join this A to B and A to C, A to C. This ABC is the required equilateral triangle. Okay, again simple, we will draw BC with some measurements. I have taken as 6 centimeter, you can take any measurement. Then with C as center, taking radius equal to BC, draw an arc, with B as center, taking radius equal to BC, that is same radius, draw another arc intersecting each other at A, join A to C and A to B, we get ABC as an equilateral triangle. So very quickly we'll revise the steps of construction here. Draw a line segment, AB equals to 6 centimeter I have taken, or 8 centimeter, any measurement you can take, with A and B as center, taking radius equal to AB, that is 6 centimeter. If I have taken 8 centimeter, then 8 centimeter. Draw arcs intersecting each other at C. So join AC and BC, we get ABC as an equilateral triangle. Now the justification is also very simple in this. Very simple justification. Justification we can give like this: in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, PC is equal to AB is equal to BC, because they are the, by construction, that is they are the, we can say by construction, because we have taken the distance arc of this AB as equal to BC only, and AC is also equal to BC, again by construction, because we have taken the arc AC is equal to BC. So from these two equations, from 1 and 2, we can say that 1 and 2, we can say that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Therefore triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, is an equilateral triangle. Hope this is clear. Thank you.